Good morning and welcome everybody. My name is Miss Jackie, one of the librarians here at Chula Vista Public Library, and I'm sharing a nice fun STEAM event with you. Giving you a basic instruction on robotics, making your own robot. This one is actually to do a little bit of artwork.
These are the materials you will need.
I got this project off of sciencebuddies.com, so I would like to give them a shout out and thank you for allowing us to present this to you. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. When you go to sciencebuddies.com, or the basic idea for a robot is you're going to need a motor. This is a 3-volt DC motor. And you'll see the supplies. You're also going to need some batteries. You need the energy to power up the motor. The kit that I got from Science Buddies comes with a battery holder, the motor, the cup. You're going to have to, be creative because this is an art bot. So along with the kit that they send you, grab some arts and crafts supplies, some markers, paper, obviously, some fun things to decorate your robot, and we'll see how creative you can get. In a second, I'm going to show you how I made mine. All right? Okay. So we have the kit, and what you're going to kind of need to do, and how I did this, you will need maybe some help from a grown-up, because you need to cut 3 holes at the top. With the motor, you're going to slide the wires into those holes so then it sticks out just like this. I'm going to show you what it'll look like in a second. But you'll need a grown-up to help you cut the holes in the plastic cup and also to put these together. So once you put the battery in, the motor in, you're going to need the battery to power it up. That's why you need the leads. You're going to connect the red with the red, the black with the black. This one is only 1 battery holder, but the kit comes with 2 to make it more powerful. And you're going to connect it into and tape it up into the cup. Of course, you need the batteries as well. The next thing I got were just a bunch of arts and crafts, put it all together. And thank you, Stacy. And this is what I came up with. Yeah, this is my art bot right there. So as you can see, I put the battery pack, I attached it inside. I had cut the 3 holes and put the motor in. Miss Stacy helped me connect the wires because my fingers are a little bit too chunky. It was a little bit frustrating trying to get them together, but Miss Stacy helped me, got it, and we got it going. I put some Google eyes and a bell and some fuzzy ears or earmuffs, however you want to look at it. And then I took the markers, and you kind of want to make them the same distance because they're going to need to balance and stand up. Okay. All right, Miss Stacy, are you ready to see how the artwork goes? Okay. All right, so we're ready to rock and roll. I'm going to switch on the battery pack. Whoa, look at that. And here we go. Draw, robot, draw. Oh, yeah. Okay. You're drawing. Go, robot, go. Go, robot, go. Okay. All right, robot. Like everything in life, you fall down, you get back up, and you keep going. Let's go. Draw, robot, draw. Go! And you can think of other things that maybe robots can help you with. Maybe there's a chore that you want to, design a robot on your own. Maybe there's something you want a robot to do for you that makes it life easier. Maybe you're hurt or something, and then a robot can work as that extra part to help you out. We found another fun, easier experiment, but we haven't really tested it yet, so I'm going to put that challenge to you. So hang on one second, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. We had our fancy smancy robot over here from the kit and drew what looks to like maybe, I don't know, your lower intestines or hair on a bad day. Who knows? But if you want to try and make it more simpler, and maybe you have these lying around your house, try a toothbrush with its own, its own motor in it, some markers, paper cups. See what you can come up with, and I invite you to show us what you've come up on our YouTube channel, okay? So, let's see if you can do this. How did you do? I would love to know more about the robots that you came up with. Please upload your video to our channels and tag us. Now, if you liked what you saw, I would invite you to please hit the notification, subscribe, and like us and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Not to mention, if you still have room for more, please check out the other services we have online. We may not be open to the public, but we're still open to you. Come and log on and look at the services that we have. You can still check out books. You can check out movies through Hoopla and what else. I mean, we've got so much going on. And not to mention, it's still summer reading. Explore summer at your library. You can still complete activities, read books, earn prizes. If you need more information, just download the Beanstack from the App Store, Google Play, search for Chula Vista. You can also register at chulavistaca.beanstack.org. Now, if you liked that robot stuff, Ed's doing one next week for STEAM. Check him out. He's really fun. Thank you guys very much for hanging out with me today for STEAM, and I want to see your robots. Take care.